Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, I am recreating a design that I saw in my neighbor's yard where it had teepees at the bottom and then the club treehouse at the top. I thought this was very unique. My neighbor actually built a lot of beautiful yard decor for his children and others. So I was going to do this, but then I quickly decided to change this. You'll see that in the reveal, but I'm just using these tumbling tower blocks to recreate that design. And I will also be using some of those bamboo straws that you'll see in the reveal of this particular project as the backing of what I would say the railing of the back portion of the clubhouse in my design is. So again, I just want to welcome everyone back to my channel, my new and returning subscribers. I hope that you all had a great weekend. I cannot complain. I was going to get this video out yesterday, but I had a great time with my family and just did not want to do the voiceover, so I said I'll get up early this morning ahead of church and get this voiceover done so that I can get this video out to you guys, because I have so much more to share to the channel this week. But anyway, guys, as you can see, I am building out the foundation of my clubhouse, my version of the clubhouse that I saw in my neighbor's yard. And trust me, it's not a big monstrosity as you may be thinking. It's really average size, but it's very, very cute. And so now I'm using these blocks. I've created the toppers, making sure that everything is sealed really well. I did not use wood glue, and I probably should have, but nevertheless, I did it. And here is the design, guys. As you can see, I did change my design a little. And you see the bamboo straws in the back. I added some of those half beads to the front. You know, I'm addicted to the half beads. And then that ribbon I put in the front, styled it with two little small plants with some of those decorative balls. And that ribbon that I purchased during Christmas time from Hobby Lobby. And this turned out very cute. And then now I am taking this Calypso bottle. Of course, it was empty. My kids had, and of course they save everything for me, and I just wrapped it in some of that boho style rope and some of that white rope that you can purchase from Dollar Tree, styled it with a spider plant, and that is it for this project. Added one of those jute twine bows to the front, and guys, I am done with these projects, and here is the reveal. I think these items turned out very cute. I styled it with the Serenity prayer book that I have. And guys, I pray that you all have a blessed day. I am headed to church now, so be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next DIY. Bye.